What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, taking a look at the general crypto market. Guys, we're having some little bounces here and there, but there's still fear in the market, and it has been long. We had this so much fear in the market. Bitcoin is still at support. We'll be talking about that. We'll be looking at the Bitcoin price chart. And guys, Kwon proposes Terra hard fork to save the ecosystem. Terraform Labs will put a proposal up for a governance vote on May 18th. We'll be talking about that. And Bitcoin bulls aim to flip 30K. 30K is that region. But guys, confidence in the market is really, really low. We'll be taking a look at the Bitcoin price chart, Ethereum price chart. And guys, the dollar is still going parabolic. We'll be talking about that too in this video. We'll take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Other chains are actually extending a helping hands to Terra blockchain projects. That's very nice to see. We're talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. To all my returning subscribers, thanks for always watching all my videos. I appreciate you guys. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So guys, you can see in the last 24 hours, we have a decent bounce in the crypto market. You can see some coins are up 10, 12, 11% on the day. That's nice to see. Helix is dumping, it's down at 6%. Luna is down 6%. It's probably still at 0.00 right now. So it doesn't matter what is down. It's down, but we're talking about Luna. But should you be getting back into the market, guys? Some people have run to stable coins and they are still unsure about the market because we still have so much bad news. The Terra Luna situation is still there. Kwon proposes Terra hard fork to save the ecosystem. There were a lot of promising projects in the Terra Luna blockchain ecosystem, and all of them shouldn't just go to waste because Terra failed. And he was talking about bringing Terra Classic. It was just funny. People on Twitter actually violently against the idea. They're like, you can't just be fucking your old project and just bring new one. He has to first compensate investors. I don't know what you guys think about that, but guys, confidence in the market is so low. Luna was ranked in the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. USD was ranked in the top 10, and poof, just like that, went to zero. And we had that they now use over 80,000 bitcoins to defend the peg, and they still lost the peg in the end. So very, very sad story for Luna's holders. I'm really feeling bad for them right now, and it's actually affecting the whole market. Bitcoin bulls are hoping they can flip 30K. 30K is still the line in the sand. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin price chart, guys. You can see right here that 30K is the line in the sand. If the bulls can't defend 30K, we might be going to Goblin Town. You can see when liquidation carried us, we went as low as 24,000. Bitcoin got to as low as 24,000 on some exchanges. On this chart right here, it got to as low as 25,000. And guys, if we are going to come back to test this 25,000, I don't think it will hold. Maybe we might go back to the previous all-time high, and that's the next logical place for us to go back to if we don't. But I expect us to have a relief rally at some point in time. And from the bottom that Bitcoin set right here, Bitcoin is actually up already. Bitcoin is up how many percent? Bitcoin is up over 23% from the bottom is set. So is that the relief rally? Are we going heading down? But guys, it looks obvious right now in hindsight that it looks as if the top of Bitcoin is in at 69K here. It looks as if we have to go for that bear market. And if Bitcoin will do what Bitcoin has been doing in the past, we can actually see as much as a 83% drop in Bitcoin. That will result to around the 10, 12, $13,000 Bitcoin. Is that possible, guys? Only time will tell. Sentiment in the market is still in extreme fear. People are scared right now. A lot of people are running to stable coins. Guys, Ethereum is still holding. Ethereum has held for the summer lows. That was the prices he held in May 2021, June 2021, and July 2021. That was the region where Ethereum held the line on last year. Right now it's holding the line, but guys, if Bitcoin breaks below that 30K region, I will actually see Ethereum also breaking below that 30K region. And if Ethereum is breaking that region, when Bitcoin is breaking that 30K region, we might probably be seeing Ethereum at 1,400, and that's Ethereum's previous all-time high in 2018. It will be very poetic if Ethereum goes back to the previous all-time high that I set in 2018, and Bitcoin too goes back to the previous all-time high in 2018, guys. But that's bad news for the altcoin market. It means a lot of the altcoins are going to be dumping very, very hard. Guys, the dollar is actually going parabolic, but right now it's taking a chill pill. I probably assume the dollar is coming back to just test support right now because it looks as if the dollar is still going parabolic, and central bank were actually just printing currencies during the COVID time. They were printing money out of thin air, and right now we're seeing the effect. A lot of these currencies are losing value very, very fast. It's just that the dollar is not losing value as fast as other cryptocurrencies. The euro is losing value, the pound is losing value, but the dollar, because the dollar is holding strong, the dollar is going parabolic. This is the highest the dollar has been since 2002. Are we going to be setting a new all-time high on the dollar currency index? Only time will tell. But guys, Anytime the dollar is pumping, crypto markets always used to feel the effect. Anytime the dollar is crashing, we always used to have good, happy times in the crypto market. We go on all season and all. Right now, the dollar is pumping, and it doesn't look as if it's stopping right now. From people actually saying the dollar can go to as high as 120. Will it get there? Only time will tell. Total crypto market is still holding lows it sets here, and that's total crypto market excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum is still holding this $468 billion region. We want to see it hold, and we got to these lows that we set in March 2021. That was around less than 400 billion. We want to not see that level breach. If that level is breached, guys, we might actually just go very, very low, probably going to touch the previous all-time high, which would be around maybe 355 billion. So if Bitcoin is going back to the previous all-time high, Ethereum going back to the previous all-time high, and the total crypto market excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum going back to its previous all-time high, guys, we might actually experience a dump. And let's not forget, from the top of the market, we are actually down already 64%. That's on total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if we go to Ethereum, from the top of Ethereum, Ethereum is just down 64%. Bitcoin from the top, Bitcoin is down how many percent? Bitcoin is down 62%. So fairly, the market is actually down about 62% across the board. Guys, the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours, we have Bitcoin still at number 1. You can get one Bitcoin for $30,000 US, 30,500. And number 2, we have Ethereum. Ethereum is holding that $2,000 region, guys. But Ethereum is still very, very high from the bottom. Ethereum bottom at $100. Right now, it's going for $2,000. This was prices people are praying for in the bear market. Right now, people are expecting the pump. Maybe the pump will come. It's down It is down 12.5% in the last 7 days. Tether and USDC, number 3 and number 4, those are stable coins. You can see that people are running to stable coins. So in the top 5 cryptocurrencies, we have 2 of them already stable coins. Number 5 is BNB. BNB is above $300. XRP is coming out number 6. ADA is coming out number 7. Number 8, we have Solana. Guys, at number 9, we have BUSD, another stable coin. It took the place of UST. That's the Luna stable coin that got depegged and went to 0. And number 10, we have Dogecoin. Dogecoin is at number 10. Guys, it's funny, Dogecoin is actually holding up well. Still the top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization. And the digital euro could be coming as soon as 2024. With the whole Luna fiasco right now, this is a very, very good avenue for governments and central banks to actually introduce their digital currency, their central bank digital currency, and they'll bring regulation to the whole crypto space. Right now, crypto is kind of unregulated. We're just doing our own thing and hoping not to get robbed. But countries are actually realizing that if people are controlling their money, you can't control them, and central banks won't allow that to happen. Digital euro may actually be coming as early as 2026. Polygon and others are extending hands to Terra blockchain projects. We have so many promising projects under the Terra Luna ecosystem, and those projects should not just go to waste. You can see that Phantom is saying, any Terra Luna projects out there looking for a new chain, please PM us. Phantom uptime is 100% fast, low cost, and reliable with a great community. Can assist with grants, program, integration, marketing, and connection. This is actually good to see crypto bros looking out for each other. Guys, the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours, TerraUSD is still a loser even though it's dumping. I don't know why people are still trading it, or maybe some people are just cutting their losses. You can say that mostly stable coins in the losing section, and most of these coins, they gain some percentages in the last 24 hours. But guys, remember, we're down bad. So all this 13-20%, in the grand scheme of things, we're still down. So we'll be expecting Bitcoin to lead the way and Bitcoin to show us the way. But still, we're hearing a lot of bad news about Bitcoin at the same time, guys. We're hearing news that the big investors that came and boosted the price of Bitcoin might actually want to cash out now and crash it. Will that happen? You expect bad news to be had at the bottom of the market, and you can see that the market is still in extreme fear right now. So is that why we're hearing all this bad news? Because the market is in the bottom right now. Because anytime the market is in the bottom, that's when you want to be seeing all this news. You want to scare people so that you can sell your bags to them. And when the market is pumping, you'll be hearing good news. You'll be hearing how banks want to adopt Bitcoin, yada, yada, yada. But now we're in the bottom. People are actually talking about how the big players may actually just start crashing, because I mean, if they bought at the bottom of the market at 3,000, right now we're at 30,000. That's 10x return on their initial investment. I won't assume they want to hold Bitcoin down to 13,000. They'll probably sell and buy lower. But only time we tell whether this is the bottom of the market, and this extreme fear will probably turn out to be a time that would have been the best time to buy, because we know that history has showed that anytime this chart is in extreme fear, if you had bought then, in the future, it would have been a very, very wise decision. All the time that there was extreme fear in the market, if you had bought Bitcoin at that point in time, you would have made the wise decision. In the future, you look at yourself and like, oh, thank God I made that decision. So guys, do you think the market will continue going up? The altcoin season index is telling us right now that we're in Bitcoin season. So Bitcoin is still the leader. Bitcoin is not yet pumping, and we're in Bitcoin season. So if Bitcoin start pumping, we might now start seeing all our altcoins actually pumping. But till then, things are really edgy right now in the crypto space. We hope Bitcoin will hold this level. If not, we might be going to Goblin Town. Guys, thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. You can follow me on social media platforms, on Facebook and on Twitter. It's Mr. LUNC Crypto. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
7, 1, 2, 3.